Hey guys, this is Polo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 1-to-1 skill high grade Gundam Sandrock. Right, here is the box itself. Now, I apologize for not uploading for like about a month now. That's been because, well, I am really busy with my GWC project and, single GWC. I got the results today, and the cool thing about this is I managed to get into the qualifiers for the GWC. So yes, you will be seeing, if you guys are in Singapore, you can see my entry in the Complex Expo. More details. I'll put a link in the description towards the Facebook link where all the details about the Complex Expo in Singapore will be at. So yeah, do see my entry there. I will do a video about it eventually. So do stay tuned about that. And yeah, my injuries are running over, and well, I'm not happy with my injuries, to be honest. But let's put it out of the way. So yes, it just came out today from the store, Gundam Sandrock. If you guys may notice from the box art right now that if you guys are wondering, does this kit include the Gundam Breaker mobile code that you usually see online? Well, the answer is no, because this is the international version of the kit. So meaning to say that if you want to get that code, you can only get it in Japan. So unfortunately, I don't have the code. I mean, I do play the game, but I don't have the code in this box. So just telling you right now. But yeah, it would still be fun if I can get Sandrock in some way. But yeah, so yeah, let's go on unboxing. So yeah, I'm not really a huge fan of Wing myself, but you know, since I got the results today, like I said, like okay, my DWC results, I told myself, well, this is probably the a good way to celebrate my my qualification to the DWC. So right, let's go unboxing, and there's the box art. It looks pretty cool as usual, you know, and it's all the Mega Necks in the back, which I should get Mega Neck to accompany the Sandrock, but you know, I really wish I could find the high grade wing, but unfortunately, I didn't see it in the store, so I just have a real great version of the wing, but the only difference is that it's the Endless Waltz redesign as opposed to the TV version, as you see in the high grades right here. But you know what? Let's go move on. On the side here, we have the front and back shot of the kit, and more stuff, details you can do in this thing, the actions. And on the side, you see the gimmick. Now this is I'm a little concerned about, but I'll see how it goes when I build it. But this one doesn't much. The chest section, I'm a little bit concerned about that, but we'll see how it goes. And yeah, you get the heat shows, which are basically, you know, they're like kind of like heat hawks, especially, but except that they're bigger and cooler. Yeah, let's put it that way. Yeah. I have a feeling they're gonna make like a Gundam Build Divers version, like Gundam Build Divers variant of this, but who knows? I got it because I just like Sandrock in general, really. Yep, that's the CGRC Sandrock from the 5 Gundams from the Operation Meteor. Does not mention the price. I don't remember how much it cost in yen, but you know, I'll just put in the title below. Let me get my trusty knife. Right, so in the box. I'll get this building like apparently after marketing this. I'll probably do it the next day. Oops, don't want to cut that. Yep. Okay. Alright. It's open. Let's open the box. Just see. Alright. First bag we have the oh, the yellow is a little dull than expected. Alright, that's interesting. Oh, it's upside down, okay. Alright, first of all, we got the sticker sheet. Not too bad. I mean, I can paint it myself, so there's no issue right there. Polycaps, and on the back, we have the A runner. Yeah, I have a feeling they're gonna make like a Sandrock Kai, I guess. I don't know, some in the future. So I'm not really much of a huge fan of Sandrock Kai. I mean, yes, it comes with a gun, but what else? But you know, Sandrock's cool, so it's sorry for me. And you get a multicolor sheet. You got that's the eyes. Yeah, those are the eyes. You got screen for the eyes, red for some parts of the body. You got the black and the yellow. Next up we have the D2 plate, which is the heat shows, which is in heated up form, so they look clean, clear red, which is pretty nice. B2 plate and the C2 plate, which is the white part. This plate is the B2 plate is the joints, the ray joints basically. And the last bag we have the D1 plate, which is all the gray parts, but the unheated the heat shows when unheated. C1 plate and the B1 bag. I just realized this is a really simple kit. Just from looking at this, it's a really simple kit. Like, nowhere near as like complicated as the newer real high grades. This is one of those. This is the kind of high grade I prefer most of the time. Yep. In the manual, that's the front and back shot. Sandrock. This looks cool. There's no doubt about that. And the assembly, yeah, it is a really simple build. Like dead ass serious. Like dead ass simple. Yeah, this is the build I prefer the most, really. Because, well, not because I'm lazy, but because I feel it's really, it feels so nicer, especially as compared to like the evolution part of the kits, which frankly those are really too complicated for me. But yeah. Oh, I forgot the back shot, so the stuff about the Sandrock. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the high grade Sandrock. I will get this building, well, hopefully a few days from now. So I got it today, which is 20th September, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 20th September, I think. Yeah, and I will get back to you guys to review once I get this guy building. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.